So today I'm going to teach you how to make a real easy cheesecake, like for family gatherings. If you have to take something and you don't know what to take, it's really easy to make and not that expensive, and it's delicious. So we're going to be using some pure vanilla. Then you're going to need 8 ounces of Philadelphia. You can either do strawberry or cherry or whatever you like on the top.
And this one, that one, cherry.
Then you're going to need evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk. And I'm lazy, so I just buy the pie crust already made. Easier, it's faster, and it tastes really good too. So you're going to need that and 2 eggs. We're going to throw the evaporated milk. Vanilla, shake it up and throw like 3 drops. Okay, a little bit more like that. Yeah. Join in Philadelphia. Then the mix is ready.
Woo, ready.
Now, so our pie crust don't stick, we gotta spray it with a little bit of butter. And this is the trick to it. You turn it upside down. Then you're gonna spray this part. Okay. And then you put it back on there and flip it. You get that out. And that's when you throw in the mix.
Wow, the mix.
Yeah.
Show it. I like the mix.
When it comes out like that, it's ready. Now it looks brownish and we just gotta let it cool.